The Prophet, he told us, لا حسد إلا في اثنتين. There's only two people that you should be really jealous of. But the type of jealousy that you do not want Allah to take that blessing away from them. There are two types of people. That when you look at, you say, oh Allah, increase it for them, but also give me this. رَجُلٌ آتَاهُ اللَّهُ عِلْمًا. A person who Allah gave him knowledge. Another riwayah says, رَجُلٌ آتَاهُ اللَّهُ الْقُرْآنَ. A person who Allah gave them the Qur'an. He knows the Qur'an. فَهُوَ يَقُومُ بِهِ آنَاءَ اللَّيْلِ وَآنَاءَ النَّهَارِ. The Qur'an that he learned, he utilized it through the day and the night. حفظه بكتاب. He's memorized the Qur'an, but he's not, as Imam Hassan al-Basri rahimahullah said, يُقِيمُ حُرُوفَهُ وَيُضَيِّعُ حُدُودَهُ. That he's observing the characteristics and the letters. No, he's not like that. And then he forsakes the boundaries that the Qur'an sets. He's not like that. The Qur'an he or she has memorized is leading them to what? It's leading them to pray at night time. That's the first person you should be jealous of. وَرَجُلًا, a man, آتَاهُ اللَّهُ مَالًا. This person, Allah gave them wealth. وَرَجُلٌ, a man, آتَاهُ اللَّهُ مَالًا فَهُوَ يُنْفِقُهُ. And he is giving it آنَاءَ اللَّيْلِ وَآنَاءَ النَّهَارِ. He's spending that money day and night. He's giving it for the sake of Allah. Another wording says, فَصَلَّطَهُ عَلَى هَلَكَتِهِ. He's working towards destroying this money, but in good. As soon as he receives it, he's giving it for the sake of Allah. But inshallah ta'ala, Ibadur Rahman, as we're going to talk about, وَالَّذِينَ إِذَا أَنفَقُوا لَمْ يُسْرِفُوا وَلَمْ يَقْتُرُوا وَكَانَ بَيْنَ ذَلِكَ قَوَامًا. We're going to talk about their characteristics. Maybe not here, of course, but in one of the masajid, we'll be talking about moderation in how they give and how they spend their wealth. So this hadith, my brothers and sisters, should really make us understand that who should we be really jealous of?